Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how's everything? I hope you are in good condition. I'm Reskina Padilla as the first speaker in our group. And now, on this occasion, I'll explain about history of ethnography. Jadi, di materi ethnography itu terdapat dua subpokok materi. Yang pertama itu varieties of talking, dan yang kedua the ethnography of speaking. About history of ethnography, ethnography was founded by Del Helms. He is best known for his founding role in the ethnography of communication. Helms proposed the term ethnography of speaking, later amended to ethnography of communication, to describe a new approach to understanding language and use. Jadi, mengenai sejarah ethnography itu sendiri ditemukan oleh Del Helms. Ia terkenal karena peran pendirinya dalam etnografi komunikasi. Helms mengusulkan istilah dari etnografi berbicara, kemudian dia mengubahnya menjadi etnografi komunikasi untuk menggambarkan pendekatan baru untuk memahami bahasa yang digunakan. Helms sendiri berpendapat bahwa studi bahasa harus memusatkan perhatiannya pada penggambaran dan analisis kemampuan penutur asli dalam menggunakan bahasa untuk komunikasi dalam situasi nyata, atau dalam istilah bahasa Inggrisnya itu communicative competence, daripada membatasi diri pada penggambaran potensi kemampuan penutur yang ideal untuk menghasilkan gramatikal yang benar pula. Etnografi komunikasi berkaitan dengan pertanyaan tentang apa yang diketahui seseorang tentang pola penggunaan bahasa yang tepat dalam komunitasnya dan bagaimana dia mempelajarinya. Oke everyone, itulah tadi penjelasan singkat mengenai history of ethnography. Submateri selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh rekan kami. Untuk itu, sekian dari saya. Wassalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Ilham Ghazali dari kelompok 1. Sini saya akan melanjutkan materi yang dijelaskan oleh Reskina Padilla. Jadi materi saya kali ini yaitu apa itu etnografi. Etnografi dari bahasa Yunani, ethnos yaitu rakyat, dan grapo yang berarti menulis. Jadi artinya etnografi adalah bidang studi yang terutama mempelajari deskripsi dan analisis budaya, dan linguistik adalah bidang yang antara lain membahas deskripsi dan analisis kode-kode bahasa. Selain itu, desain etnografi adalah prosedur penelitian kualitatif untuk menggambarkan, menganalisis, dan menafsirkan pola perilaku, kepercayaan, dan bahasa kelompok yang berbagi budaya yang berkembang dari waktu ke waktu. Oke, terima kasih. Jika ada kata yang salah mendengarkan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Baik, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Sasmita Umar and I wanted to continue my material from my friends. Okay, my material is the ethnography. The ethnography adalah suatu studi atau riset tentang perilaku masyarakat atau konsumen yang dipelajari langsung dari habitatnya atau dari lingkungan masyarakat aslinya. Kemudian, menurut Wilson tahun 1997, ada dua karakteristik utama dalam etnografi. Yang pertama, ada penelitian dilakukan pada kondisi alami atau tanpa perlakuan. Penelitian harus mengerti bagaimana suatu kejadian diterima atau dimengerti oleh orang yang sedang kita amati. Kemudian, etnografi juga mengandalkan pengamatan dan wawancara pada situasi alami. Tuchman 1999 menjelaskan bahwa etnografi menitik beratkan pada pengamatan dan wawancara, bukan pada manipulasi variabel. Uji survei atau kuesioner. Karakteristik lain dari etnografi adalah holistik. Wersman 1986 dan Tuckman 1999, karakteristik ini adalah bahwa pendekatan etnografi tidak merumuskan hipotesis sebelum penelitian. Wersman 1986, Guy dan Irish 1992, dan Tuckman 1999. Kemudian, adapun kesimpulan dari karakteristik etnografi ini adalah penelitian dilakukan pada kondisi alamiah atau tanpa perlakuan. Penelitian harus mengerti bagaimana suatu kejadian diterima atau dimengerti oleh orang yang sedang kita amati. Kemudian menerima hal-hal yang aneh tidak biasanya menitikberatkan pada pengamatan dan wawancara, bukan pada manipulasi variabel dan uji survei atau kuesioner holistik, atau secara menyeluruh dan tidak merumuskan hipotesis sebelum penelitian. Mungkin itu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Santika from class C 2019. Okay, I am from group 1. I will discussion about the ethnography or speaking. The number 1, what is the ethnography of the speaking model? Jadi, komunikasi ethnography (EOC), original challenge speech ethnography. It is the analysis of communication within the broader context of the social and cultural practice and belief of members of the particular culture of speaking community. And it comes from ethnography research. It is a method of discourse analysis in linguistics that research to the anthropological phrase of ethnography. The general goals of this qualitative research method including being able to distinguish which action and or codes of communication are important to different groups. What types of meaning are applied to different communication? Even and how group members learn codes to profit incident in their community person. Number 2, what is the purpose of communication? Communication ethnography. Jadi, communication ethnography aim to distinguish practice partner of speech activity in the context of the situation, and thus that are separate from the more general term of reference eight religions that are of primary concern to ethnography. The number 3, who creates ethnography of speaking? The head ethnography of communication, the headsmith further the ethnography of communication as a part stage from understanding and language in the use. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sylvia Lufa. I will explain about the material variety of talking. Definition variety of talking. Definition term variety. That term variety is used to refer to any set of linguistic form which differs according to social factors. Variety is a sociolinguistic term referring to language in context. A variety is a set of linguistic pursuits under specific social circumstances with a distinctive social distribution. Variety is therefore a broad term which includes different accents, different linguistic styles, different dialect, and often different language which contrast with each other for social reasons. The background theory variety of talking, according to Marshall, has indicated how the Kang, a bush-dwelling people of South-West America, have curtain costumes which help them either to avoid or to reduce friction and hostility within bands and between bands. They can lead a very harsh life as hunters and gatherers, a life which requires a considerable amount of cooperation and the companionship of a larger if if survival is to be guaranteed. Many of the customs of the Kung support the social need for comparativeness and the individual need for personal acceptance. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Janti as a second get material about varieties of talking. The definition of variety. The term variety is used to refer to any set of linguistic forms with patterns according to social factor. Variety is a sociolinguistic term referring to language in context. A variety is a set of linguistic forms used under specific social circumstances with a distinctive social distribution. Variety is therefore a broad term which includes different accent, different linguistic style, different dialect, and even different language which contract with each other for social reason. The variation of speech. The variation of speech. Speech is hardly with variation, a fact acknowledged by most speakers and listeners. Every time a word is produced, is uttered by different people and different contexts, with varying duration and amplitude and so on. With somewhat variation, the speech signal carries a lot of information. Varieties in English. All varieties of English share the same basic tense of the language, but certain words, phrase, or linguistic construct might differ. For instance, in British English, one says, "I'm going to hospital." In American English, one says, "I'm going to the hospital." That's my example of varieties in English. According to Gardner, he has observed the varieties of talking, like the Pulians of South India, are neither particularly cooperative nor competitive, and individuals tend to do their own things. They do not find much to talk about, and by the time they are 40 or so, they hardly seem to that. Well, that's all our material for today, and thank you for your attention. Have watched our material, and hopefully this material can be beneficial in our daily routine, especially in our education English. And I say assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and go